Greetings boys and girls and welcome to Infinite Smiles. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw the reindeer in the thumbnail. Before we get started, these are the felt tips that I'll be using in this video. There's 50 in total and they're a pack of 50 Crayolas. You can see the back of them, you can look at the colours, you can pause the video to check out all the colours if you want. I'm not going to read them. First, let's start at the top of the head with the hair. Draw a few spiked curves, so you're drawing your curves and then add a bit of a spike to the end of them. And anywhere between 3 to 5 lines you do for the hair. Next, onto the ear. For the first ear, draw a curve down the side of the head, then all the way up and stop, then draw a diagonal line down. Curve that line all the way down. This is basically where your eyes are going to pretty much start, your eyes and your eyebrows. Next, draw a curved line about 2/3 of the way along the ear, up the way, and all the way down and round and back to pretty much where you started, just after the hair. This will be the inside of your ear. Then you want to draw one big curved line going all the way out. Put a bit of a spike at the end, then bring it in, all the way back out again. Put the spikes on the end to create texture. This will give it a fur look because you want your reindeer to have fur, of course. And a wee line right at the very end, that'll basically join right onto your head. Now for the second ear, draw a curve in the opposite direction, just like you done for the first ear, except going in the exact opposite direction. Then curve it back to the head, just like you done with the first ear, except you might want to add a wee bit of a point at the tip of the ear, where the first curve reaches and meets the second curve in the middle. Just get a wee bit of a point, give it a better look. Then add another curve for the inside of the ear. And add two curved spikes, just like you done on the left hand side, only this time on the right hand side for the fur. And then just one curve at the end to bring the head around. Then add two eyebrows, just where I have. You can copy the ones exactly like I have, or do them different or slightly similar to what I have done. This is something that I should have said right at the start. As you can see at the left hand side, there is a marker. To make your drawing a lot easier, get like a marker or a ruler. The top of the marker or ruler, I'm using marker, so I'd say marker. Top left, basically mark out, and the bottom mark out on each side, so we can get an idea for the top for the hair and the bottom for the very bottom of the body. It doesn't have to be the exact size, but it's just to make it easier when you're doing your freehand work. Now onto the eyes. We are almost done with the face. Do a curve similar to what you've done with the ears. Do another curve at the right hand side. Do a wee point at the top, kind of just like you've done with the ears, and then just bring it all the way down. And then next you're going to draw across the middle. Do two more curves and then leave a wee bit of a space in the middle between both of the eyes. That way you'll have like one curve to the left hand side, one curve to the right hand side, and you have your two eyes. Next, draw two circles just like I have done. Them a wee bit big because we're going to draw like two wee small circles for the pupils right inside them two big circles. Next, we will do a curve from left to right. I've joined it at the right hand side. You can join it to the left or to the right or to both sides. This is where we're going to do our nose. Then curve that all the way around and connect it at both sides, and this will be our main part of our face. Near the very top, just below the eyes, a wee bit of a gap, draw a curve, then do one on the left hand side, one on the right, and connect this all the way around, and this will be our red nose. Now for our body, draw two diagonal lines with a slight curve, with a spike, and then when you finish doing the first line, bring it down, do the next line up the top again at the right hand side, bring that down and then out for a spike, and down again, so you're drawing 4 lines in total there. At the right hand side of the body, this bit here could get tricky, so if you want, you can just copy exactly what you've done before at the left hand side, or follow me. Start with a spike going down, then bring it halfway in, then a curve going down, and 2 spikes at the very bottom. Now for the antlers, you're going to be doing a lot of curves here, so start between the hair and the ear, going up and then stop just before the very end of the ear. Then draw a thin line going down, then across and up again. Do this twice for the end of the antlers, the bottom right hand side. Remember to keep these lines thin for the antlers. Then do 3 more of these here, but slightly bigger. Just follow those curves like you've been doing from the start of this video, and you'll have your antler almost done. Then curve that around and connect it onto your head. Congratulations, you've just done your first antler. Only one more to go. Just do what you've done for the first antler, copy exactly as I'm showing you right now, and you'll be able to do antlers on your own in no time. There you have it, your second antler is done. Congratulations, you have just finished your reindeer. Now all you have to do is colour it in. This is what it looks like before it's coloured in, just our line drawn. Here are the colours that we're going to be using. Red, obviously, will go first because that's the easiest and there's only one thing to do red. Greys, black, and browns. Mainly our browns, of course. First up, we have our nose, so go ahead and do that red for Rudolph, or if you want to do a different reindeer, just do it black. Next, go ahead and grab your black, and then we will do the eyebrows, both of the eyebrows, two eyebrows, and the eyes, the inside of them. Next, grab a brown felt tip, not too dark, just a medium kind of dark, and go ahead and do the inside of your ears. Next, get a brown, a light brown, not a very light brown, like a medium light brown, and do the body. For this here, we'll be using nearly the entire body, not the chest, or around the nose or the mouth would be. If he did have a mouth, his mouth is probably closed. Just get that light brown and do the entire coat. Next, for the face, where the nose is, and down the fur bit on the chest, I'm using a peach kind of colour, which works really well. It's really light and really nice and stands out. Next, for the antlers, you can go back to your brown. You can do this whatever shade of brown you want. You can do it a really dark brown. I done it medium kind of dark brown. When you have that done, the reindeer will look like this. We are almost there. Just add a few finishing touches, and then we are done. After you do that there, you can go ahead and add a black outline to it, and it will look a lot like this. I decided to put some baubles on his antlers for some last minute decorations, so you can go ahead and do the same if you want, or just leave it plain the way it is. And there we have it. I hope you enjoyed the video. We are finally done at last. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're going to try this here out. I hope you do. I also done 3 Christmas cards, 2, but one was Santa, one was reindeer. I handcrafted them, and then there's also one I basically just coloured in, so there'll be cards throughout this video on the screen. I'll probably put some links in the description so you can click on them and check them out if you want. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. As always, thank you for watching. Merry Christmas. Arrivederci.